In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stop-motion animation in Canva. First, open a template in Canva. You can start with a blank canvas or pick a size that fits where you'll post, like a square for social. The goal is to have a clean workspace for your frames. Next, insert an image that shows a subject in different positions or motions. A sprite sheet or a collage of sequential poses works perfectly, like a bird captured in multiple wing positions. This gives us the frames we need to simulate movement. Now, crop the image down so you're focusing on the area that contains the poses. Then crop again to isolate just one pose, the first frame you want to use. Think of this as your starting point. With that pose selected, use Background Remover to cut out the subject so the background doesn't interfere with your animation. This feature lives in the photo editing tools. If any edges look rough, refine them quickly with the eraser or restore brush. Resize the cutout to the scale you want for the scene and reposition it where frame 1 should be. Centering or aligning to guides can help reduce jitter later. Duplicate that cutout, and on the copy, adjust the crop to reveal the next pose that's most similar to your first. This keeps the motion smooth. Place it directly over the first pose. Use Canva's alignment guides, and if you want a quick accuracy check, lower the transparency temporarily to line things up, then set it back. Now duplicate the entire page. Open the Layers panel to see every element on the page. Remove any duplicate cutouts so each page contains only one pose. Page 1 should hold pose A. Page 2 should hold pose B. This creates two distinct frames. Select the first page, then also select the second page. Press Ctrl D to duplicate them together as many times as you want to extend your animation. On Mac, Command D works the same. This repeats your A-B sequence for a longer loop. Set the timing for your frames by adjusting the page duration. Choose the lowest setting for a snappier effect. Here, we'll use 0.2 seconds per page. Apply this timing to all pages so every frame plays consistently. Finally, click Preview to watch your stop motion come to life. If it feels too fast or too jumpy, tweak the alignment or nudge the timing slightly until it flows just right. And that's your stop-motion animation in Canva. Clean, simple, and ready to share.